Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix suspicious login attempt on Instagram. Now if you want to fix the suspicious login attempt problem which is happening on your Instagram, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to find about it. So let's begin with the video. Now before that, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and your Instagram is up to date. Now to check the version of your Instagram, you need to simply open App Store on your device and you need to see if there is any update available. So if there is no any update available, you need to simply click on open on Instagram. So let's open and check if there is any update available. So as you can see, there is no update available, so click on open and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now this is the home page of Instagram where you'll see various options. So you need to click on the profile icon at the very bottom right. So this is the profile page, and now you need to click on the three straight lines at the very top right. After that, click on the first option, which is settings. So under settings, you'll find various options. You need to simply click on account and you need to click on the option which is security. So click on it and you'll see the option of password. Now to fix the suspicious login attempt, you may simply change your password. So to change it, you need to enter your current password, your new password, and so after that, you may also enable two-factor authentication on your Instagram. So it is the place where it will send you a code or you will receive a code on your number while someone is trying to log into your Instagram. Now to set it up, you need to click on it and you need to do the method which is shown on the page. So currently I have already set it up, so I can't show it to you because of the privacy policy. So that's it. That's how you can fix suspicious login attempt on Instagram. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.